Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video we're gonna be doing a skin repair, closing your pores, and also reducing wrinkles and boosting the collagen level on your skin. Now if you're actually experiencing wrinkles, it is as a result of stress. Stress actually makes wrinkle come out really quick on your skin, and also not taking care of your skin. Most times you need scrub a whole lot for you to reduce the fine lines, the wrinkles, and help your skin glow really well. Okay, so the first ingredients which we're going to be needing is avocado. Now avocado is one great anti-aging skin repair remedy. Avocado is great for the skin because it increases your skin collagen level. By so doing, your skin is going to get boosted. Your skin is going, wrinkles are going to be minimized on your skin, and you are going to be really happy with your results. Okay, so this skin repair remedy is one great ingredient that helps you glow. So I'm actually going to be telling you how many times you're going to be using it, how you're going to preserve it, and more. So keep on watching, okay? Don't skip. Keep on watching. So what you do is that you're going to be getting out the avocado meat, and then you try as much as you can to mash it. I'm going to be using a mortar to mash this. So if you want to use a blender to mash it, it's fine, okay, but I'm actually using a mortar to mash this. And do not worry guys, the ingredients we're using in this particular remedy is just 3 ingredients, and those ingredients are ingredients that are really reachable. Alright, so if you want to blend your avocado, it's totally up to you. If you blend it, it's actually going to make it really smooth. So after doing that, then I'll have to move everything. And then put it inside a bowl. Okay, so the next ingredient which is going to help this treatment work really fine is egg. And in this particular one, you're going to be needing the egg white. Now egg white is one ingredient that helps to tighten up the skin a whole lot. Like if you're having a large pores and then you want to reduce wrinkles, you want to boost collagen level on your skin, guys, egg white contains an ingredient that helps you glow. So this natural ingredient is something that is not expensive. It's inexpensive, but it does a whole lot of stuff on your skin, literally. So we're going to be putting in egg. So in this particular one, my egg white plus the yolk entered, so still okay. So I had to extract the egg white, and that is what I got. So after that, I'm going to be mixing it all up. Okay, so this consistency is perfect. Okay guys, so the very next ingredient which would actually work so well is potato. Now in this particular potato guys, you need the potato starch or you need the potato juice to actually, you know, make your skin glow smooth and rejuvenated by boosting the collagen level. Yeah, so this is Irish potato basically. So what you do is that you're gonna get your Irish potato and then you're going to actually peel off the Irish potato. So what you're going to be needing to do now is to crate it or you blend it. For me right now, I'm going to be crating it. Alright, so after creating the potato, and then we're gonna be getting a strainer. Grab the potato into the strainer, and then strain out just the juice. So you're not going to be putting extra juice into this. Okay guys, so this, you have your potato juice. This is just the juice. So what you do is to put in the juice into your treatment, and then the very next thing you do is to mix the three ingredients together. Guys, this is actually going to tighten your pores and it's going to help your skin rejuvenate, and it's going to smoothen out your skin a whole lot. I'm going to show you how you're going to apply this on your skin by applying it on my skin, because I need my skin to be boosted also, and I need the collagen level of my skin to increase. Okay guys, so this is the ingredients. Like, you have to first of all store this ingredients into your fridge, okay, so that it could be cool. And then second of all, you have to wet your face before you apply this ingredient. Okay, so you have to apply this ingredient onto your skin. Okay, and then even if you want to apply it onto your neck, it is very much ideal. So I'm gonna be keeping it, and then I'm gonna be using my mirror to, you know, check this out. So I'm actually going to be using a brush to do this, and you can actually use your hand if you so desire. Whatever you want to use to apply this, you can use it. Okay, so for this particular skin repair remedy, you'd have to use it at least 2 times in a week, okay, for an effective result. Now for this particular ingredient, you can equally apply it onto your under eye area because it's a very mild ingredient, so it is suitable to be applied under your eye, and then you apply it in an upward direction just like this. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like on my skin. Yeah, and after which you've applied this ingredient, you have to hold on for at least 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, and then what you do next is that you're going to use your hand to just massage this all through. So I kept my mirror here so I can actually be seeing my face, what I am doing. So you massage it in a circular motion just like this. Okay guys, so for this particular ingredient, it is actually not something you can preserve or you can store. You don't need to store this one because it's not going to stay because of the egg in it. Okay, it's gonna smell. Even if you keep it till evening, it's gonna smell. Okay, that is why it is natural. It is very, very natural. Okay, and it is also very effective. Now for you to see a result, you have to at least do this for like 2 times. Okay, and then you're going to see a very, very huge result. Yeah. Okay guys, so after doing that, then you have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you use your hot towel. Okay, you use your hot towel, and then you would clean it up first. Alright, so that's actually the easiest way to remove this from your face. You have to clean it up first before you then go wash. You have to wash it off. Okay, so even if you clean it off, you must wash it off with a lukewarm water and with a toilet soap. So already my face is actually it's actually feeling really soft even without washing it, so you have to wash it. So I'm actually going to go and wash it. Okay, and then you have to repeat this treatment for at least 2 times in a week, or you can even do it 3 times in a week if you want a very fast result. Okay, this is an amazing ingredient and it feels really, really good on my skin, and then I love it. Okay guys, so if you do love this video, why not give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye guys, and I love you.